Oh yeah, let it snow, let it snow. It's gonna be a good day to go cut some firewood. Well, how's everybody doing today? It's as you can see, it's snowing. And so that means it's a good day to make some sawdust, cut some firewood. And what I got going on today, I'm going to take down one of these, let me spin around here. I'm going to take down one of these trees behind me here. Maybe two of them, I got to see. I might take both of these down. It's just the one's top is up there pretty good and he's kind of been moving in the wind. So I'm going to maybe wait on him, but I am going to take the other one down because he's got a nice lean and a clean path, and I'll explain in a second why I'm taking these two down first. But wanted to welcome any new subscribers, welcome everybody back, and to let you know that in this video, when you see the orange back 40 Firewood T-Shirt, that's your sign. Look for it. When you see it, leave a comment and you will be entered in the drawing to win that T-shirt. And I'll give more details on that later and in the description. So let me show you what is going on here. So I've got these two dead standing oak trees right here. And this guy right here, he's going to be number one. I'm taking him out first, and then I'm taking the one next to him out. And the reason I'm doing that is because back behind them, right there, is another standing dead oak. But he's got to come this way towards me, and these two trees would be in his path. So we're going to take these two out first, and then you can see over there, there's another dead one leaning pretty good. So he's going to be number 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, these 4 trees to take down here. I don't know if I'm going to get them all down this weekend or in the next week. But today, the first step is this guy right here. I'm going to get him down, get him bucked up, and get hopefully some of them hauled out. There he's down in perfect position. Wood is on the ground, so that is good. Time to start bucking. All right, I just wanted to show you guys something interesting that I was talking about in my last video with the wood getting punky. So this tree right here, you can see his outer surface, nice and dry, nice and solid, no rot on it at all. This was the side facing south, okay? Now when I roll them over to the north side, the north facing side, look at that. See that? Some punky wood starting to form. Every time it rains, this side would get wet and then not really dry out that good, and that's what starts forming that punky wood starts getting in there. But that's just the difference from one side of the tree to the other. It's kind of interesting, but his core, you can see the core wood in there is still solid. I mean, this is some great red oak firewood right here. And there you go, all bucked up, ready to go. A good amount of wood right there in that tree. He is going to split down very nice. Well, even though the snowflakes are falling, I'm still able to work up a little bit of a sweat. Whew. Not quite as much as the woodyard workout and the CrossFit firewood, but still working up a sweat out here. So now that I've got this stuff all done, now that the hard work is done running the chainsaw, I think I'm going to go round up some help me load up these rounds. tree. Down, bucked, hauled out, and ready to split. All right, so I think that's gonna do it for today. We got the tree down, we got the tree bucked up, we got the wood hauled out. So I hope you noticed the t-shirt. So yes, this is the video. It'll be in the description. All the rules I gotta post. But basically, just leave a comment on this video and you will be entered in the drawing to win that t-shirt for hitting the milestone of 250 subs. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a good rest of the weekend. Stay safe, have fun, and be cool.